our rapidly growing cities, seamless connectivity is the heartbeat of everyday life. We rely on our roads to get us home, to work, and to safety. But nature is unpredictable. Sudden adverse weather can transform these familiar paths into high-risk zones within minutes. Flash floods occur so suddenly that drivers are often trapped without any early warning. This results in devastating total loss, vehicle damage, severe traffic disruptions, and direct risks to human life. According to the Department of Statistics Malaysia (DOSM), overall flood losses in 2024 surged to 933.4 million ringgit Malaysia, while vehicle losses amounted to 17.3 million. Bank Negara Malaysia reports that 89% of motor policies nationwide still lack flood cover, while 84% of vehicles in high-risk areas remain completely uninsured. But what if the infrastructure was smart enough to act? Smart infrastructure leverages real-time monitoring to verify threats and initiate automated responses, ensuring tragedies are stopped before they ever unfold. To tackle multi-million ringgit losses, we bring you Aquaguard, the ultimate smart infrastructure. We don't just react, we intervene. With AI-driven vision, instant digital mapping, and automated barriers, we provide a proactive shield that leaves old-school systems in the dust. In its baseline state, Aquaguard operates on standby. Our cloud dashboard and digital mapping reflect a road open status, continuously syncing real-time environmental data to ensure smooth traffic flow. As heavy rain begins and sensors detect rising water levels, the system hits its first threshold. The LED display switches to warning while the digital map and cloud dashboard instantly update to alert incoming drivers of potential hazards. When water reaches the critical threshold, our AI verification confirms the flood threat in real time. The physical barrier automatically closes, and the digital map triggers a road closed status, preventing total loss incidents for vehicles without flood insurance. This seamless integration ensures that highway concessionaires and local authorities have full control over hazardous zones without delaying response times. By automating the safety protocol, Aquaguard eliminates human error and provides a reliable, data-driven defense for our nation's road infrastructure. By partnering with industry leaders such as Plus, Prolintas, ALR, IJM, LLM, JKR, Amiach Berhad, and WCE, targeting local authorities and the 33 major highway concessionaires across Malaysia, Aquaguard is a scalable solution designed to safeguard the critical road infrastructure. Aquaguard, smarter roads, safer journeys.